Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable notifications in Google Photos on computer. So how to enable notifications in Google Photos on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. And here there are lots of setting options that you can use. Scroll down and look for Browser Notifications. Now here you have found it. Tap here to activate notifications. The function of activating notifications is to receive the latest updates or activities related to photos and videos. So that's it, the tutorial how to enable notifications in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.